Guys, it is me T here, and this video is part 2 of my avocado aloe vera hair mask. So this section, or I should say this part here, is actually where I'll be washing out the hair mask. I had it in for about maybe an hour or so. So I said I was going to keep it in the last video. I was going to keep it in about 30 to 45 minutes, but I started cleaning, and then before you know it, it was like an hour past. So I said, let me go ahead and wash this out. So the part 2 of this video is just to wash out that hair mask that I applied on part 1, and that's again the aloe vera avocado hair mask. So I'm just massaging that in before I wash it out, and I'm gonna start washing out that hair mask. Now I'm gonna start off by using my Holy Grail shampoo that I've been using for years now, pretty much as long as I became natural, and that is my Tresemme. This is the volumizing shampoo. So I am going to be using a generous amount and applying that to my hair so I can rinse out the hair mask. And you might be asking, why is your hair still braided while you're doing the wash? And it just makes it a lot easier and faster process while keeping my hair braided. And believe me guys, the product is being washed out completely out of my hair because my hair is loosely braided. So as I work that shampoo in to rinse out that hair mask, and you will see me from time to time with my eyes rolling in the back of my head, is because that massage feels so good to my scalp. So here I'm just rinsing out the shampoo, and I'm only going to shampoo it once because my hair wasn't completely dirty, but of course you have to rinse out the hair mask. Reason I'm shampooing versus just using conditioner. And as I rinse the conditioner, or I should say, as I rinse the shampoo out, I'm going to start using or applying the conditioner to my hair. I just want to make sure that I rinse out all the shampoo. And here I'm going to be using my Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner, and that's the avocado conditioner. And I've been using this for maybe about, as long as maybe 5 years now. Right before I became a mom, I started using this conditioner and shampoo. So it's actually been doing really well for my hair. So like they say, if it's not broke, why fix it, right? So I'm adding a generous amount of conditioner as well to my hair. I'm just working that conditioner in, making sure every section has conditioner. And what I'm going to do now is go ahead and pin my hair back. And I have my duck clips that I'm using to pin it back. And then I'm going to use my Family Dollar grocery bag, plastic bag, and I'm just going to wrap it up and let it sit for a little bit. And when I say it, meaning the conditioner, let this conditioner sit while I go take a shower. Hi guys, so I washed my avocado aloe vera treatment out. I shampooed and conditioned while I still had my hair braided. Look at my hair, looking like buckwheat. No, but this is my hair freshly washed. No product is in my hair yet. I'm going to just go ahead and twist it. But I just wanted to kind of give you guys a clear shot of my hair. And like I said, there's no product in, but let me tell you guys, from that protein treatment, it feels really nice, moisturized, really soft. It may not look like it, but it really does feel that way. And I think so far, the treatment is having a positive reaction to my hair so far. So, you know, that's it. So this is my hair again, freshly washed. I know I have a lot of grays. Kids, no. But yeah. So yeah, everything looks good, everything feels good, it's nice and fresh, my scalp is clean. So that is it for my protein treatment, and that's again the Aloe Vera Avocado. I have to say that slow because it's so much worse. So Avocado, Aloe Vera, see, hair mask treatment. So I'll let you guys know in a couple days how it still works. Right now it feels good, looks good, but hopefully, keeping fingers crossed that it continues to look like that throughout the week. All right, guys, well, thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. And if you're an oldie but goodie, of course, guys, thanks for always stopping by. Thanks for always supporting my channel. I love you all. Take care and have a great week ahead. Bye.